brothers. We are sleeping on the floor. So
Yes.
good. Oi! Man arī zubu no divas izlauzt.
Okay, hello everybody.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. So we slept over at a friend's house.
Yeah.
Now we're walking.
On the street.
Yeah,
It's so
we're.
cold.
Oh, look how aesthetic actually. Look how aesthetic. Long story, but it is 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and what?
Oh,
Yes, it is almost 5 a.m. and we're walking in Tukums. We have no money, no shops are open. We are cold. We feel like homeless people.
we go to Circle K to
Get warm, and then we're gonna walk.
I have a bomber outfit.
Yeah, me too. I have Scooby-Doo hoodie.
Scooby-Doo, pop, pop. Yeah, boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so where are we going?
We are going to my house to get money and then we go to Milscount.
Let's go.
Look at this
Kur ir puķis?
ceriņi.
Flowers.
This is a plumes. Plums like.
Plum.
This is a plum. Show them apple. Apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another apples. Mini apples. So
Oh
fantastic.
yes. Look how
Wow!
Es kāpus gliemeži! Oh no!
Viņš do...
Oh!
Tā. Ai, ja tur čūst kaut kā. Nu, vai jūs? Iedod kameru, es gribu uzfilmēt rumtūru.
Ai! He just fucked up!
What the... Es uz galvas nogāju! Let's go!
Iegāzos.
Es jūtu, ka kaut kas smird. I smell the shit.
Here is underwear.
Pants.
We were just walking, everything okay? Then we see no underwear.
Es to redzēju. You mother...
So we are sitting. Oh, someone spilled their coffee.
So, one guy, like a fanboy, yeah, say that he is 15 years old, but he looks like he is 9.
Kas tev matos? Kas ir ņem ārā?
Slocene. Rumtūr.
Aesthetic.
Brother is going there, we are going there. Kādi rasta cilvēki tad dzīvo?
Duks. Duks is scared of me.
Go away from me. Sabiedēji. Ko tu filmēsi?
Mūsu ēnas.
Kāpēc jāfilmē?
Jo es gribu video.
Oh my goodness.
Train! Woo! Ah! Wow!
So aesthetic.
I am now at Anna's house and she will make me eggs to eat because I am chef.
Ai, jūs arī sien. Go sit down, Joe.
Oh, okay. I apologize. So this is the very aesthetic food. It is so very good. Yum, yum, yum. I ate everything. It was very delicious. And Anna is eating.
Dance with my hands above my head.